Hi, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how I make my black soap face wash. I chose these ingredients because they are best for fighting acne. I also use the raw African black soap. If you need access to the raw African black soap, contact me at DIY Dose and I'll hook you up. So the first thing I do is to crumble up the black soap, add a few drops of tea tree oil, a few drops of Tamanu oil, this is really great for acne, and then some honey, and I work it all together. I do not use any water for this black soap because I do not want bacteria to live in it. This will last you a while. Once I'm done, I scoop it all up into a jar and I just put it in my bathroom, and this is what I use, and this has made a big difference on my skin. Check the description box for why I chose the ingredients and some other useful information. Now, in order to really maximize the use of my black soap, I use this Vanity Planet spin brush. It has made such a big difference on my skin. If you have never used a spin brush before, please believe the hype. This spin brush is thebomb.com. And that's how I make my black soap. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to my channel. I make videos like this every week. Love you guys.